Welcome to my channel English Bolo Dil Se, and here you can easily see that I am your teacher, I am your anchor, and I am your host. And you have seen me many times, so you know very well. One sec, you know very well, and also you, if you've seen my last of dozen of videos which I made for my audience, then you can easily see that I talked about tense, verbs, sentence, and each and everything which can use in language of English. And this my is content all about to how to a common man, how to a low middle class man can speak English, because it's a very important and necessary language in 2026. And now AI is coming, so it's one of the most necessary language and important language in a, you can easily say. So if you've seen my all of videos, then you can easily see that I have made enough content that you can understand very well so much. So here I am take some words and there are spelling, and I will make a sentence, and also I will tell you a story. We will talk about movies, sports, education, our Indian system. All we will discuss about it in English. So I just want you that just watch my channel, just follow, just like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you will see that a man is speaking in a whole content in English, then you will grow up, then you will easily speak up. Otherwise, and also you should practice at least 10 and 15 minutes. I just want you that just give 10 and 20, 15 minutes to yourself, okay? And also if you gonna easily can speak, because many content creator, you can easily see that they will translate you in Hindi to English, English to Hindi. But here I think one of the finest content creator, and one of the, I think I am the one who are making content in English, because my English speaking skill, you can see, is too good, and I can speak very fluently, as you can see. So okay, so I'm telling you that here are some words and there are spelling and word and spelling, okay? And also if you can see that I will make a sentence: excess, excess, adverse, adverse, advise, affect, effect, opposite, opposite, amend, immoral, antics, apprise. Here you can English, there is spelling and there is the meaning. You can easily see that. I will repeat you 2 or 3 times, okay? Excess, excess, adverse, adverse, advise, effect, effect, opposite, opposite, amend, immoral, antics, apprise. So now I will make a sentence. He accessed that he can be reached 2 p.m. He accessed a full amount of seed. Adverse. He is going to adverse this. So you should keep the change. Adverse. Why you always adverse to him? Why you always adverse speak to them? Advice. I think you have a lot of experience, so you should give advice them, and then you should say something that you have to follow this, you have to follow this pattern, and now then you gonna will succeed. Look here how I'm making sentence on the spot quickly. This is how you gonna speak English. This is how it is working, okay? Just look at very carefully and watchfully. Affect. I think he has some kind of fever, so you should stay away from it. Otherwise it gonna affect you, your body gonna affect, because he is suffering from fever, sorry. Effective. Your ideology, your work, your philosophy affect everything, okay? This is the rule. You know very well that your ideology, your thinking affect everything. Opposite. I think he opposite to them. I think he opposite that's one kind of thing. Opposite. Why you always opposite to them? Why you always opposite to every other man who is speaking truth? Why you opposite always a man who are worrying about you, who are caring about you? Why are you always opposite with him? Amend. I think he amendment this act. I think he amendment this one right. I think he amendment this policy. Otherwise, it gonna disturb whole public. Antics, antics, uprise, antics, uprise. He is a very good in math. He is a very good in math. He is a very good in English. He is a very good in Hindi, Sanskrit, Tamil language. So he will apprise to this language. He will apprise to GK. This is how it works. Antics. Johnny Lever is a great comedian. So I think his antics for everyone. He is a legend. He is an antique piece. I mean, now we will talk about Johnny Lever because I think one of the most finest and comic character I have seen in my life. I mean, no one can't beat him. I mean, what kind of character he is, and I'm 90s, so you can easily say that I'm 90s kid. We can easily understand that Johnny Lever is our pride. Johnny Lever is our everything. I mean, people who are born in 90s, they can relate everyone that what kind of legend he is, and still he comic many other movies, but I think whatever the role he played in a life, I mean, tremendous, hilarious, speechless. I mean, people we can laugh, die. We are very die-hard fan of his comic timing, and I think why I'm saying this, he's one of the great comedian just because I think he's one of the actor who has knowledge of sense of humor and sense of timing and common sense. I mean, look, what I will not talk about common sense, because if we are talking in comedy, then anyone can happen and anything can happen. But yes, I can see sense of humor and sense of timing. So this is, I can say that Johnny Lever is one of the greatest comedian of all time. And look, why I'm telling this? Why I'm telling this? I'll tell you why. Because there are today right now we are seeing that many comedians and many comedians we see that, I mean, look at Krishna Sudesh, look at Kapil and Shweta, and also Gutti Palak, and also Sugandha, Bharti, uh, Mubin. I think they are one of the finest actor and comedian today we are seeing. But I think whenever we talk about a talent, like so always we gonna give an example of father. I mean, a man who make a symbol iconic phase, make a iconic for his hard work, for his talent. And look, so now Johnny Lever, we can say that I think he is the father of comedian. But and I look at why I'm telling you why, because I don't think so any, look, there are many more comedians like Mahmood, Sanjeev Kumar, and also Dharmender, Amitabh Bachchan. They are one of the most finest comedian in that era. but look at the Johnny Lever. I mean, what kind? I mean, in a South, he's coming from South, and he's coming from very humble and poor background, but and also his daughter. I now I'm not I'm not remembering. I don't remember his name, his daughter name, but she is one of the most finest comedian in today's era, just like Kapil Shweta and Krishna Sudesh and Bharti. So this kind of talent today, and also we are today, also we want that, and also my one of the most comedian is Rajpal Yadav and Paresh Rawal. I think greatest comedian and greatest and finest actor I can see. I have seen, and not I have seen, because they are still they are very young, and they are so become energetic. I mean, look at them, look at their energy. They are crossing to 60s, 70s, 18, but still they are young to a more younger people. Still they are more energetic, more enthusiastic, and more consistently and more disciplined artist in one of the most youngest children. And I mean, I we are all children for them, so yes, you can say this. But I think the Paresh Rawal and Rajpal Yadav is also one of the most finest actor and comedian, we can say. I mean, they are one timing job, two timing job. I mean, I can say that my sense of humor and my sense of timing is also about why, just because I have seen them. I grow with them. Yes, I have seen many real character in my life, and many comic character I have seen in my life. But look at them. I think no one can beat them. No one can beat them. No one can beat their ideology. No one can. No one. No one can. I mean, compare to themselves. As I mean, three. If I will take. Yes, there are one of the first finest and greatest comedian in Hollywood are Charlie Chaplin and Mr. Bean, but they are from Hollywood. Yes, you can see, and I think, yes, I'm saying that Charlie Chaplin and Mr. Bean also a greatest comedian. I mean, greatest comedian in a whole world, and whole world are admitting it. Look at the world. People now are there recognized to them. People are now recognized them to Oscar. People are recommending to them Oscar, and in their life they struggled so too much time. Also, their stories is so inspiring. So I mean, what kind of thing they've seen in their life, so many struggles, so many rejections, and so many auditions they gave their in their life, and after they got a huge success. So I mean, they are an inspiration story of each and every person in a whole world. Mr. Bean and Charlie Chaplin, and whole world is recognized to them. And I think after Hollywood, there comes to a Bollywood. I think in if we talk about cinematography, I think after Hollywood there are Bollywood. So yes, Hindi cinema. Yes, we all can relate this Hindi cinema. So yes, you can say this. And also, I'm telling you that. Also, I'm telling you that if you are talking about their ideology, I think also I can say that they Johnny Lever, Paresh or Rajpal Yadav, and this all are comedians. They inspire for them. I mean, all they are human beings. Either you are a foreigner or Indian or Pakistani, Bangladesh, what doesn't matter whose country you are belong from, but you are just a human being. This is the one of the most important things, that you are a human being. So this is the important thing you can say this. That's one of the most important thing that is human being. Okay, so yes, now I'm telling you, and I given to you greatest time, good and great time. Look, I'm making every day, I'm making a lot of video, a lot of content for you guys, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Just over, I will just do whatever you want to do. Just be happy, be relaxed, be calm, and be natural. Be yourself, guys. Just be yourself. Thank you very much.